Hello friends, you and 99% of traders fail with indicators for one simple reason. You use indicators to predict the market instead of reading what the price is really doing. If you stick with me to the end of the video, I'll teach you the only strategy you need and how to combine it with price action in order to become profitable. This is not financial advice and the video is for educational purpose only. Like and subscribe to the channel if you gain any value from this video. Let's go. The broker I'm using is Pocket Option. I'll leave the link in the description. I'll also leave a link to my Telegram where you can get in touch with me, or if you want to understand more, you can check out our channel where we share tips and also share educational materials. So let's get to the settings. Okay, let's go through the settings really quick. So first, I'm using 1 minute time frame. We'll also use 1 minute expiration. So each and every single trade is 1 minute, and we are using flag mode. Now let's add our indicator. We're only going to use the moving average. And for the settings, we are going to leave the period as 10, SMA. For the style, let's make the line white and make it thicker for easy visibility, and then save. So for us to take a trade, we'll need to see that the moving average has changed the direction. So like in this point right here, as you can see, our moving average was moving down, but at this point right here, it started moving up. This is an indication that the market has changed direction. As you can see, we had a downtrend. We were creating lower lows and lower highs. But at this point right here, the market started creating higher highs and lower lows, breaking our previous lower high. So we call this a break of structure. Once we have a confirmation that our lower high or our break of structure has occurred, we wait for the market to come and retest our moving average. The moving average in this case acts like a dynamic support and resistance. And as you can see at this point right here, you can see that immediately this candle touched our moving average, the market moved up and closed at this point right here. This means that if we would have taken a trade right here with an expiration of 1 minute, we would have won that trade. And now for the sellers, as you can see, the market was moving up. We were creating higher highs and lower lows. But at this point right here, the market's direction changed, and as we can see, our moving average started moving down. So at this point right here, we are creating lower lows and lower highs. And we had this previous lower high, which was broken. So we call this a break of structure. So once we have this break of structure right here, once we have this break of structure, this is an indication that the market wants to move down. And once the market retraces, once this market retraces, once it touched our moving average, as you can see, this candle pushed down and closed down here. So we will have entered the trade immediately. Our candle touched the moving average and it will have been a winning trade. Now let's get to some live examples and I'll explain each and every single trade. Okay, I'm waiting for this opportunity right here. So as we can see, the market was moving in a minor downtrend. At this point right here, the market's direction changed and we had a break of structure at this point right here. So once the market comes and touches our moving average, I'll surely take a trade with the buyers. Let's wait and see what happens. Okay, I take 2 trades on this one. So make sure to practice this on a demo account. I believe that the buyers are going to get into the market and we'll have a very strong rejection. So let's wait and see what happens. Okay, there we go. Okay, that was a win. So that was a win. The buyers pushed up, and exactly at the closing of this candle, we closed in profit. So make sure to practice this in a demo account, and once you're comfortable, only after you're comfortable, then you can risk your own money. So that's it for today, guys. Bye.